Today I want to show you kind of an alternate use for your Sears solar irrigation kit. Now this kit is awesome. What you're looking at here is the actual solar panel. So it comes with the solar panel, but it also comes with a whole bunch of tubing and a whole bunch of irrigation spikes and a bunch of small little T's. So you could run your irrigation lines completely custom. So what you do here, let me just kind of give you a little runaround. You have this is folded with water. I have my water line in there. It also has two sensors. These are water sensors. So if it runs out of water, it'll beep. So we'll have our water in there. And what I've done is I've taken and I've ran the water line, and this is what they look like. So what happens is the water comes out of here, runs in here, runs down, and then it just drips into this plant. But I have it as a full loop. So it goes to this plant, to this plant, and then eventually ends at this plant. So you can, with this particular system, and with this amount of tubing, I mean, really it's really up to you how many plants, kind of depends upon the distance. But now to operate this is solar, but being I'm in a room with lots of lights, the solar panel will absorb the light and operate. So what you do here is on the side, or I shouldn't say the side, yeah, on the side, if there's an on and an off and a mode. So I just turned it on and you can see the light flashing. And what I could do is when I'm on vacation, I will set this up. Whoop! Gotta turn that. I don't have that one locked down yet, but I will set this. Let's turn that one off here because it's actually pumping water now. So you could set it to how many times a day you want to water the plants, and then for how long you want to water the plants. So you could, for instance, if you want to do twice a day for 5 minutes, you could simply hit the mode and it just goes from, whatever you choose. So extremely handy, like I said, if you're going on vacation and need somebody to water the plants. This does a great job, once you have all your lines set up. And all you need is just a pair of scissors to cut that line, and the pieces just snap together. But really a great kit. And, it's actually used, outside. Likewise, the sun will provide the energy to pump all the water. So, use it outside with all that. You could, probably string it along your whole garden. So it's really up to you. And like I said, with all these different watering spikes, you could really hit a lot of different plants with it. But I really like it, and it really pumps the water quite well. Great product.